Big story be breaking here on India Today. The Indian Coast Guard ship, it's chased away a Pakistani Maritime Security Agency ship, PNS Nusrat, in the Arabian Sea. Information we are getting says Pakistan Maritime Security Agency ship Nusrat chased for over 2 hours by Indian Coast Guard ship Agrim. India has cautioned Pakistan. India has warned Pakistan not to abduct Indian fishermen from Indian territorial waters. The Pakistani Maritime Security Agency ship was trying to abduct Indian fishermen on board the fishing boat Kal Bhairav. The Coast Guard ship received an SOS from the fishing boat in distress. 7 Indian fishermen were being apprehended by the Pakistani Coast Guard vessel. That's the information that we are getting. Now the Indian Coast Guard, for 2 hours, it chased the Pakistani vessel, finally intercepted it, and the 7 fishermen who were being abducted, they were rescued. The Pakistanis were told, you cannot take away Indian fishermen. Once the Pakistani ship was intercepted, the Indian fishermen were safely transferred on board the Indian Coast Guard vessel Agrim, and they've now been brought back to Okha in Gujarat. I have India Today's Manjeet Singh Negi joining me for more on this. Manjeet, so the information is the Indian Coast Guard, they chased the Pakistani vessel for over 2 hours and rescued 7 of our fishermen. What more can you tell us about this chase, the intercept and recovering our people? This is huge.
Well, Gaurav, the Indian Coast Guard ship Agrim deployed close to the maritime boundary line with the Pakistan Maritime Security Agencies and the Pakistani ship PNS Nusrat. After the chase of around 2 hours, the Coast Guard ship clearly told them that under no condition it would be allowed the Pakistani ship to take away Indian fishermen from fishing boat Kal Bhairav from the Indian water. And after the Indian Coast Guard ship Agrim was after the Pakistani ship about 2 hours and rescued the 7 Indian fishermen. And today around in the afternoon, the Coast Guard patrol vessel received a distress call from the Indian fishing boat, and after that they immediately launched the operation. And the call reported from the Indian fishing boat, the Kal Bhairav, and after that the Coast Guard. And this is not the first time Coast Guard ship always and around 24/7 deployed on the Pakistan water with Pakistan, and there are several attempts from the Pakistani maritime agencies to do such kind of things.
Keep tracking that story, Manjeet. I will come back to you for more. This just goes on to show a stronger India is more aggressive in Indian territorial waters and has not permitted Pakistan to abduct our fishermen from Indian territorial waters. We'll be tracking that story very, very closely.